Good day, everyone. How is everyone doing today? Hope everyone is doing fine. It's me again. It's Teacher Joshua, and we are going to continue learning how to add numbers. So let's continue. Alright, so today we are going to learn about mathematics. So when we say mathematics, we learn about numbers. We learn how to count numbers from 1 up until 100. So last time, we learned how to count 1 to 10, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then, the other day, we learned how to count from 11 up until 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And we learned how to add numbers. Or the operation that we've learned is addition, like 1 plus 1 is equals 2. Did you remember the plus symbol? Great job. So when you say addition, I'm going to give you an example. Here it is. Example, 7 plus 6 is equals. So you can see number 7 digit, first digit that we have, and the second digit is number 6. So 7 plus 6 equals. Okay, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to count and tell me the right answer. Okay, 7 and 6. Let's add it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So what do you think is the answer? Ask your mom and dad for help. Okay, I'm going to show you the answer. 7 plus 6 is equals. Did you get it right? The answer is 13. 7 plus 6 is equals 13. So I'm going to give you an exercise, and you will be the one to add the numbers. Okay? So write the answer in the box and write a sentence. So what you're going to do is you're going to add the numbers, and after that, you are going to make a sentence. Okay? So the number one is, we have 8 plus 5. So we have 8 plus 5. So add number 8 to number 5. What do you think is the answer? So using your fingers or ask your mom and dad for help. 8 plus 5 is equals. Let's start counting again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8 plus 5 is equals 13. Did you get it right? Good job. 8 plus 5 is equals 13. So this is how you make a sentence. So we have 8 as a word, E-I-G-H-T, plus, which is the plus symbol, P-L-U-S, 5, F-I-V-E, equals, E-Q-U-A-L-S, 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. Great job. If you have a paper and pencil with you, you can write this down so you can remember. Okay? Let's proceed to number 2. Number 2, we have 6 plus 9 equals. So what are we going to do here? So we've got two digits here. We have 6 and 9. So we are going to add this up. So using your finger, add 9 to number 6. 6 plus 9 equals, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, 6 plus 9. What do you think is the answer? The answer is 15. Okay, so we have 6 plus 9 is equals 15. Okay, so we are going to make a sentence. We are going to write this equation into a sentence. So we have 6 SIX X plus PLUS 9 NINE equals EQUALS 15 FIFTEEN. 6 plus 9 equals 15. Did you get it right? Okay, so write number 2 and write the equation 6 plus 9 equals 15. And write or make a sentence. Now, let's proceed to number 3. Number 3 equation is 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 equals. So you can see, you see the plus symbol. So what we are going to do is we are going to add 4 to number 7. So count 7 and add 4 on your fingers. Or it would be easy if you ask your mom and dad for help. Okay? Now, teacher Joshua is going to start counting from 10 to 1. And we are going to answer the question. 7 plus 4. Are you ready, kids? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, 7 plus 4. Do you have the answer? Okay, now the answer is 11. Did you get the right answer? So 7 plus 4 is equals 11. So what are we going to do next? Yes, we are going to make a sentence using this equation. We have 7 plus 4 equals 11. How do you spell 7? SEVEN plus 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 4 FOUR 4 equals 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 11. ELEVEN 11. Great job. So we are going to practice, kids. If you have your mom and dad beside you at home, if you have your grandma and grandpa, or if you have your aunt and uncle to listen. Now, what I want you to do is you have to read the equation and read the sentence together with them. Okay? Now, this is what you're going to do. Ask someone in your family to listen while you count to 20. So kids, what are you going to do right now is you're going to count 1 up until 20 and let your mom and dad or any family members in your family to listen to you. Okay? Example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you get it right? Great job. And now, while you read this equation, you ask someone to listen while you read. You have to read the equation and read the sentence and let your mom and dad listen to you if you read it properly. Okay? Great job. Listen carefully, kids. Alright, so in this slide, we learned how to add numbers and write the equation or write the number into a sentence. Okay? Alright, kids, now let's proceed. Alright, kids, last time we've learned about numbers from 1 up until 20. I gave you a homework for you to write and spell numbers from 1 up until 20. Now, this is what we're going to do right now. Write the words for the numbers. Okay? So, on this slide, Teacher Joshua is going to give you numbers. And what you're going to do is you're going to spell the numbers into words. If you have a pen and paper with you, it would be great. Okay, so let's start with number 1. You are going to spell. If you don't know how to spell, you can open your books and you can ask your mom and dad for help. So it would be easy for you to remember. Okay? Let's start with number 1. Number 1, 17. 17. Okay? On your paper, please write 17. And what you're going to do is you're going to spell 17. Okay? Good job, kids. Number 1 is 17. Let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is 18. 18. Alright. So, when you see 17 and 18, all you have to do is spell the first word, like 7, and then what you're going to do is add T-E-E-N at the end. For example, 17. 7, how do you spell 7? S-E-V-E-N. As I have said, just add teen, T-E-E-N. Same with number 2. You have to write 8 and then add T-E-E-N. Let's proceed to number 3. Number 3 is 14. 14. Spell the word 14. 14. Alright, this is the technique. All you have to do is write number 4. How do you spell 4? F-O-U-R. And then Teacher Joshua said, teen. How do you spell teen? T-E-E-N. So it would be 4 and teen. 14. Great job. Let's proceed to number 4. Number 4 is, what number is it, kids? Yes, you're right. It's number 13. 13. So, how do you spell 13? This is different from writing number 3 and 13. You still remember? We've learned how to spell this number last week. So you have to ask your mom and dad if you don't know how to spell the word. And anyway, the answers are in your books, so you can check if your answer is correct or not. But later, Teacher Joshua is going to show you the answers and try to double check if your answers are correct or not. Okay? Let's proceed to number 5. Number 5 is 12. 12. Spell 12. Okay, so let's review. Number 1, 17. Number 2, 18. Number 3, 14. Number 4, 13. Number 5, 12. Alright, so I'm going to show you the right answers on how to spell these numbers. Ready, kids? Try to double check. Do you have a pen and paper? Or pencil and paper with you? Good. Did you get it right? This is how you spell 17. First is you're going to write 7 plus T-E-E-N. So how to spell 17? Repeat after me, kids. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. Great job. Next, number 2, 18. Did you get it right? Did you spell the number right, kids? How do you spell 18? It's E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. Great job. Alright, let's proceed to number 3. Are you finished writing number 14, kids? Alright, if you are finished, I'm going to show you the correct spelling of number 14. Alright, now look at the slide. Number 3 is 14. Did you get it right? Okay, so let's spell 14 all together. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Great job. Alright, now let's proceed to number 4. Number 4 is 13. 13. Could you double check your answers, kids? 13? Now, teacher is going to show you the correct spelling of 13. Here it is. 13. How do you spell 13? Now let's spell it together. Ready, kids? 1, 2, 3. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. 13. Great job. And the last one is 12. 12. How do you spell 12, kids? Are you finished writing number 12? Did you spell it right? If you spell it right, then let's try to double check your answers. Okay, this is how you spell 12. Let's spell it together, kids. T W E L V E. 12. 12. Okay, kids, now let's read numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 all together. Go. 17, 18, 14, 13, 12. And look at you. That's you. Yes, we did it. Let's proceed to the next slide, kids. On the next slide, we are going to do the same, but we are going to spell different numbers. Ready? Okay, kids. Now, what's this? 1 plus 1 is equals 2. This is an equation, or this is a number sentence. When you add 1 to 1, then what's the answer? Yes, you get it right. You'll get 2 as the answer. Okay, now, so we're finished with number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, writing and spelling those numbers. Now, let's proceed to number 6. Number 6 is 11. 11. Spell the word 11. Now, kids, using your pen and paper, ask someone in your family for help. Okay? Great job. 11. 11. Number 7 is 16. 16. How do you spell 16? Now, how do you spell 6? It's very easy. 6. S-I-X, and then teen. Just add teen, which is T-E-E-N. 16. All right. Are you done, kids? Now let's proceed to number 8. What number is it? It's number 15. Did you get it right? Yes, that's number 15, kids. How do you spell 15? Can you spell 15? You can do it, kids. Okay, so we have number 6 is 11, number 7 is 16, number 8 is 15. Let's proceed to number 9, kids. Number 9 is 19. 19. Spell 19. Can you do it? I know you can do it, kids. So, write down the answer on a piece of paper with you. 19. Finish? Okay, I'll give you a little more time for you to answer. 19. 19. If you're done, kids, let's proceed to the last one. The last one is, can you guess what number would that be? Can you guess what number 10 is? It's 20. Yes, it's 20. How do you spell 20? 20. 20. Spell 20. Alright, I'm going to give you a couple of seconds for you to answer number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And after that, Teacher Joshua is going to show you the correct answers on how to spell these numbers. Again, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 is 11. Next is 16. Next is 15. Next is 19. And the last one is 20. Alright, you ready, kids? Now, kindly check your answers and double check it with me. Number 1 is 11. Did you get it right? Did you get the correct answer? Let's spell the word 11 together. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. 11. Did you get it right, kids? Great job. Now 16. Alright. How do you spell 16? It's S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. Great job. The next number is 15. 15. How do you spell 15, kids? I'll show you the correct answer and check if your answer is correct. And if it's wrong, then try to change the answer. And try to remember how to spell these numbers. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. 15. Great job, kids. Alright, next is 19. 19. How do we spell 19? Now, look at the slide and double check if your answer is correct or not. If it's correct, that's great. If it's wrong, you can do it. Try to change your answer. And try to learn every day. As you learn every day, then you can spell and count perfectly. So this is how you spell 19. It's N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. 19. Great job. Did you get the right answer, kids? Okay, and the last one is 20. 20. T, 20. So how do you spell 20? T. It starts with letter T, then W, E, N, T, Y. 20. 20. Alright, kids. Now let's read numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Repeat after teacher Joshua. 1, 2, 3. 11, 16, 15, 19, 20. Alright. Now let's proceed to the next slide, kids. Now in this lesson, we are going to look for the number that adds up to 10. So what are we going to do here is I'm going to show you different numbers, and what you are going to do is you have to add two numbers that is equal to 10. Example, can you give me two numbers that are equal to 10? Okay, I'm going to give you an example. 5 and 5. Now on your left hand, you have 5 fingers. And on your right hand, you have 5 fingers. Now, how many fingers do you have altogether? 5 and 5. It's 10, right? You have 10 fingers. 5 plus 5 is equals 10. Now, this is the example. I'm going to show you the equation here, kids. We have 4 numbers here, okay? But what you're going to do is you're going to get two numbers that is equal to 10. So we have 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. Okay? Now, kids, the first number is number 8. What number should we add to number 8 for us to get number 10? Again, what number are we going to add to number 8 for us to get number 10? Is it 2? Is it 4? Or is it 6? Now, let's try to find out. Okay, so 8 and 2. If you're going to add 8 and 2, then you are going to get 10. And then we have 4 and 6. If you're going to add 6 to number 4, then you are going to get 10 as the answer. So 8 plus 2 is equals 10. 4 plus 6 is equals 10. Great job! So these are the numbers that if you're going to add, then you will get 10 as the answer. So 10 plus 10, what's the answer, kids? It's very easy for you. Ready? Yes, it's 20. 10 plus 10 is equals 20. Great job. So, kids, what we're going to do is we're going to write this equation into a sentence. So you're going to write 8, you're going to write plus, you're going to write 2, you're going to write plus, you're going to write 4, and then plus, and 6, and then equals 20. Okay, so this is the right answer. 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals 20. Great job, kids. Now we're going to have another example on the next slide. Okay? But before we proceed, what I want you to do is you are going to prepare a pencil and a paper so you can find the correct answer. You have to do it on your own, kids. Right, let's proceed now. Exercise. Write the numbers and write the sentence. So what we just did a while ago is the same as what we are going to do on this exercise. Alright? Now I'm going to show you four numbers, and you're going to find two numbers that are equal to 10. Okay? Now this is the number, or these are the numbers. We have 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5. Again, 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5. So the first number is 5, right? So what number do we have to add to number 5 for us to get 10 as the answer? 5 plus 7 is equals 10? Is it 5 plus 3 equals 10? Or is it 5 plus 5 equals 10? Okay. Now, did you write it down? Ask your mom and dad to help you how to get the correct answer. It's very easy, kids. Okay, or what number should we add to number 7? Number 7 for us to get number 10. Is it 5? Is it 5 plus 7 equals 10? Or is it 7 plus 3? Are you ready, kids? Did you get the right answer? Now let's check if your answers are the same as mine. We have 5 and what? 5 plus 5. Yes. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And we have 7 plus 3 equals 10. And what symbol do we need to use for this? It's the plus sign, or it's the add symbol. 5 plus 5 is equals what? Equals 10. 7 plus 3 is equals 10. So 10 plus 10. Kids, what's the answer? 10 plus 10. We are going to add 10 and 10. What is the answer? The answer is 20. Great job. Did you get the right answer? Alright. Now, we are going to write the sentence. So the first equation or number sentence at the top is 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5 is equals 20. So we are going to write it down. 5 F-I-V-E plus P-L-U-S 7 S-E-V-E-N plus P-L-U-S 3 T-H-R-E-E plus P-L-U-S 5 F-I-V-E equals E-Q-U-A-L-S 20 T-W-E-N-T-Y 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5 equals 20. Great job! Okay, now kids, on the next slide, we are going to solve a problem. This is very easy. All you have to do is pay attention and listen to teacher very carefully. Alright, kids. Now, in this slide, we are going to solve a problem or word problems. We are going to read and understand the situation so that we can find the correct answer. But first, what we're going to do is we are going to learn some English words. Okay? Now, We have has. Has. The first word is has. We use has if we are using a pronoun he or she. He is a pronoun for male. He. He is a boy. He is a boy and he has an apple. So he is only one, right? It's only one. So what preposition do we need to use? It's has. He has. Or if it's a girl, it should be she has. She has. He for boy, she for girl. Remember, kids, has. Has. Next is have. Have. They have. They is a pronoun for many. Many. If there's many, then we should use have. Have. They have. And altogether is the answer. Altogether is the answer. Like 1 plus 1 equals 2. The answer is 2. 2 is altogether. So if you see the word altogether, then it's addition or add. Okay? Now let's try to answer these questions here on the next slide. Okay, I'm going to give you an example, kids. Alright, now let's read the problem first. Repeat after Teacher Joshua, okay? Repeat and understand the problem. The girl has 4 dogs. The girl has 4 dogs. The boy has 3 dogs. The boy has 3 dogs. How many dogs do they have altogether? Now, as what teacher Joshua said, the girl. So what pronoun should we use for the word girl? Good job. It's she. She. And the girl is only one, so we use the pronoun she, so we should use has. Has. She has. Or the girl has 4 dogs. Next, the boy. The boy has 3 dogs. What pronoun should we use for boy? We can replace it for he. Very good. He. And the boy is only one. He is only one. So we should use he has or the boy has 3 dogs. How many dogs do they have altogether? They. Why they? Because there are 2 people. There's the girl and the boy. So there are 2. So if there's 2, then we should replace it for the pronoun they. They. And we should change has to have. They have. Alright, so the girl has 4 dogs. Yes, that's the girl. Or we can call her she. The girl has 4 dogs. Or she has 4 dogs. How many dogs does the girl have, kids? How many dogs? Right, 4. 4 dogs. Let's count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. The girl has 4 dogs. Or she has 4 dogs. Great job. How many dogs does the girl have? 4. All right, now let's proceed. The boy has 3 dogs. The boy has 3 dogs. Yes, that's the boy. And we can replace boy for he. He. The boy has how many dogs? Or how many dogs does the boy have? He has three dogs. One, two, three. Three dogs. Yes. Number three. The girl has four dogs. The boy has three dogs. Teacher Joshua said, if you see the word all together in a problem, it's what symbol? We use plus symbol because we are going to add them all together. Okay? So, kids, using your finger or using your pen and paper with you, kindly answer 4 plus 3. Or you can count it on the slide, add the girls' dogs and the boys' dogs. How many dogs are there altogether, kids? 4 and 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the answer? Right. 7 dogs. How can we make a sentence here? The answer is now the girl and the boy. So we are going to use they because there's two. They have 7 dogs altogether. Again, they have 7 dogs altogether. Good job, kids. We answered the problem. Let's proceed to another situation. All right, kids, exercise. What you're going to do is you are going to look at the picture of Molly and Jack. Find the answer to the problems. And kids, this problem is in your books too. So if you have time, kindly double check and ask your mom and dad or anyone in your family to answer the following questions in your books. Again, look at the picture of Molly and Jack. Find the answer to the problems. Molly is a girl. Molly is the name of the girl. So she is Molly. Alright? And the boy's name is Jack. Jack. What pronoun should we replace for Jack? Good job. He. He is Jack. Or his name is Jack. Alright, now we are going to solve the problem. Molly and Jack. Let's read all together. Repeat after me. Molly has 6 flowers. Jack has 6 flowers. How many flowers do they have all together? Alright, kids, Molly has how many flowers? Right, 6. What about Jack? Jack has? Great, 6. Now we are going to find the answer later. Molly is a girl. She's a pretty cute little girl. Now, Molly has how many flowers? She has 6 flowers. Did you hear what I said, kids? I replaced Molly to she. Molly has or she has. How many flowers? Using your pointer, kindly point your finger and count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Molly has 6 flowers, or she has 6 flowers. Let's proceed to here. Molly's flowers. How many flowers does Molly have? 6. Very good. 6 flowers. Next, Jack has how many flowers? Jack is a boy. Now that is Jack. Jack has 6 flowers, or he has 6 flowers. How many flowers does Jack have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jack has 6 flowers. So Jack's flowers, how many? Right, 6. The question is, how many flowers do they have altogether? Teacher Joshua said, if you see the word altogether, it's addition. So you have to add the numbers. So if it's addition, what symbol do we need to use? Or do we have to use? It's plus. So altogether, it's plus. Look, right, that's a plus symbol. 6 plus 6, kids. I'll give you 10 seconds to answer. 6 plus 6, what do you think is the answer, kids? Are you ready? Let's count the flowers. Jackson Molly's flowers. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Molly and Jack, or they, have how many flowers altogether? They have 12. Right, great job. So the answer is Molly and Jack. We are going to replace it to they. They have 12 flowers altogether. All right? Did you understand, kids? Okay. So up until here, we are going to proceed to our next lesson next time. See you next time, everyone. Have a good day. Hope everyone is doing well and doing fine. Stay safe, stay healthy, everyone. Drink a lot of water, take some vitamins, eat a lot of fruits, eat a lot of healthy food. Bye bye, everyone.